ano ba? Hindi kami ganoon eh. I mean, hindi namin nililimit na
Ganun na.
parang okay na kami kasi medyo solid na. Yun nga, 2 games pa lang. Tapos hanggat merong lapses na medyo immature lapses, yun pa rin yung basis namin na kulang pa. So hanggat may mga simple errors, may mga nawawala bigla, yun medyo kailangan pa pagtrabahuhan. Pero so far, kaya naman natin maging ano masyado. Pero okay naman, given na may mga bago din.
Zach, like Coach said, there will be, let's say, tougher opposition coming up. But how would you describe the competition so far in your first 2 games? Like the level of play compared to your first season?
I think volleyball here in the Philippines is always going to be challenging. I think it's the grit, the confidence, the kind of sass that the girls bring, and it's fun to play with. And you can tell based on the first 2 games, everyone's kind of elevating their game. Everyone's kind of progressing, working harder, trying new things, and I think that just tells the whole tale towards what the rest of the season is going to be like. So I'm excited to see what they bring, and I'm excited to see how we show up.
Sabi, your next game is against Petrogas and Brook. How excited are you in facing?
I mean, it's the same. You have to treat it the same. You can't walk into a game saying this is going to be any different because you make it too complex. Right, so, my head is kind of just geared towards Petrogas as a team for now, and we'll see, how we show up on the day.
Coach, for you, in terms of preparation for Petrogas, I guess how big of a role talaga in preparing for Brook?
Medyo challenging kasi 2 days lang. Hindi kami masyadong nag-advance dahil importante rin talaga yung next leg. So talaga ang time lang namin mag-prepare is tomorrow hanggang saka Friday. So mahirap pero kailangan trabahuin ng mabilisan. So kung ano man yung ma-practice or ma-viewing namin, kailangan ma-execute.
Dami ko lang rin sa'yo, maganda yung defense mo today. So, looking kay Brook and Petrogas, siguro paano mo ipa-perform ulit yung ganitong klase ng laro with them?
Siguro mas po talaga, pag-aaralan pa namin din talaga yung Petrogas. Gaya nga sabi ni Coach, talaga nakafocus kasi talaga kami sa next leg. So ngayon bukas or ngayon pa lang na manonood kami ng game, kailangan naka-mindset na kami na ito na yung kalaban namin, ano yung dapat namin gawin. So paunti-unti, pero yun nga, wala namang difference na siguro na preparation na ginagawa namin before sa yung mga ibang teams. Talagang mas tutok lang talaga per tao na din talaga.
Coach, any update sa timeline po ni Kiana? The team?
Siguro safe na yung end part ng conference. Kung mahabol man. Pero hindi namin siya binamadali. Hanggat di siya nakakasabay ng practice at nakafocus sa rehab, dun muna talaga siya. Para sure tayo.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Kate.